Okay, for this lesson, we're looking at finding the approximate square roots. We can find the square root of any number, not just perfect squares like we did before, which was 7 times 7, which was a perfect square, which gave you 49. Many square roots are non-terminating. You know what that means? They go on forever. So we round the values to do 2 decimal places or more, depending on what the question is. So when you round to 2 decimal places, remember, so let's just think of a number 55.567. If we're rounding to 2 decimal places, so we're rounding to this one, we look next door at that number, we check, does he have enough power to add 1 to that number? He's a 7, so he does, so the number is 54.57, and then he falls away because he's given all his power away. Okay, that's, remember how to do that. Any number smaller than 5, they can't change, so they die and they can't do that. So if we move up and we have a look, let's go in pink now. If you have to enter the square root of 23, you'll see that you get a number that looks like this: 4.795831523, and you've got to round it off to 2 decimal places. So you look over here at your second decimal place, you look at your third to tell you what can you do. The 5 is big enough and strong enough to change that 9. But what do you change the 9 to? A 9 will go up to 10, which means 10 means that you have to change that 8 and that 0. So now you've changed that, you've gone from 79 to 80. So your number is actually 4.80, or you could just say 4.8. Alright, so what I want you to do now is look at these square roots and change them to 2 decimal places. Off you go.